monkeys. Let's go!
This is starting to look like a typical Six Flags day here at Busch Gardens. Ironwazi, Cheetah Hunt, and Montu and Falcon's Fury do not look like they're open yet. News update from guest relations, they were telling people that Congo River Rapids is closed, and now they actually are telling us why. The cave collapsed. I don't think with that kind of information, I don't think we're going to get Congo River Rapids up anytime soon, guys. Good news, Montu opened up. Cobra's Curse and Montu so far. Now we're heading over to the edge of Africa to see if they have the area opened up so we can check out our meerkats. Some more trucks heading over there to the Lion and Hyena Ridge. Bringing some equipment, who knows? There's just a flat truck there. Oh, no, they still have the gate. They still have it enclosed. So we can't go through here. No meerkats today, guys. And Falcon's Fury is still stuck on the top. But we got wonderful tuxedo birds. Staying cool. Which is a definite must for today. Way, way too hot.
Tank used to be where Bubba was. Bubba comes in, like, just moving around the rocks, thinking the hardest path to get here. He pushes him out of the way. Then I'm just like, what are you doing? Being very, very still.
Yeah, we got Bubba here and Tank right here in the water, staying cool. And the two girls are somewhere around here. Hi, Bubba. It doesn't look like a good day for the park. Oh, okay. For a second there, oh my goodness. First off, it's very hot and I got sweat pouring in my eyes. Oh, that salt burns. All right, take two now that I wiped my face from the sweat. Wipe the sweat from my face. Okay, yeah, take two didn't work out too great either. Anyway, this does not appear to be a good day for Busch Gardens. As far as we can tell, well, it kind of looked like Shikra wasn't running, but must be slow dispatch or something. The only rides that were running so far in Egypt was Cobra's Curse and Montu. Montu actually had a delayed opening. There's no Ironwazi. There's no Cheetah Hunt yet. The Sky Ride is down. And like I mentioned earlier, the Congo River Rapids is down. Not looking really good. Oh, yeah. And Falcon's Fury is stuck at the top. So that's 4 rides down. Not looking good, Busch Gardens. And yeah, I can see if you're a one-day ticket guest, how upset you could be. But luckily we're pass members and we come here every weekend, so if we miss a ride here or there, we'll just catch it next week. Well, we were going to get a ride on Kumba, but unfortunately it's also down for technical difficulties. Not looking good for Busch Gardens today. That's well, let's start off. Kumba, the Sky Ride, Falcon's Fury, Cheetah Hunt, and Ironwazi so far. That's 5 rides that are down. Yeah, if I was a day guest, I would definitely be complaining today. But the reason why we were going to get a ride in on Kumba today is because there is so many rumors going around that this might be the end of Kumba, either by the end of this year or very soon. So if you have a chance, I would definitely suggest you get your ride in on Kumba whenever you can, as soon as you can, because it's not known how much longer she'll be around for. I'm hoping Busch Gardens does make an announcement, giving people enough time to get their last rides in. But here's my official announcement to all of you out there. Ride Kumba before you don't get a chance to. Oh, apparently the Cuban Cafe is also closed today. But Wild Oasis is open. Let's see if they have the capybaras out and any of the other animals out. You got the water over there for the little kitties. I think I might want to take a dip in there too. Have some of the birds over here. A couple of them. That looks like an interesting bird. Hello there. And right back there between the trees is our anteater. He's hiding. Let's see if we can see our capybaras. There's one of them. The other one's probably behind that tree. Yeah, there he is.
Are they like maybe for them?
If you haven't noticed yet, yeah, it's not a good day. Well, it's hot too. This is like the third time we got wet here at Chikra. But yeah, it's a hot day and it's not a good day for updates. Skyride's not running, so we can't. Got a little wet there. Skyride's not running, so we can't get you the eye in the sky report. When we came in, Iron Gwazi was closed, so we decided to head up towards Egypt because we saw Cheetah Hunt testing. When we got up to Cheetah Hunt was not running. So we hopped on Cobra's Curse and Montu. Then we headed over to Pantopia, hit the Serengeti Flyer, and, well, you can't see it from here, but Falcon's Fury, the gondolas are still stuck at the top of the tower. They've been working on it all day from what I can gather. Kumba also down. They've been working on that all morning. Too many rides that are down, and yeah. And this is the only place to really get wet. Not doing too good today. No. Unfortunately, there's no way to find out ahead of time what rides are going to be open, what rides are going to be closed. And yeah, this is not good, especially if you were just paying for the day. As a pass member, well, you can always come back at another time. But yeah, I do feel sorry for all of those out there that are paying for a day ticket, because that's what, $150 plus $40 for parking. Already you're spending $200 to do what? not ride any of the icon rides, not any of the star attractions. So you're left with mid rides. Come on, Busch Gardens, you can do better. Even though I got plenty on my shirt, but I think we're gonna close the day out because
one, it's too hot.
Yeah.
Two, there's too many rides that are closed today.
yeah. But are we gonna complain?
No.
No, because guess what? We'll be back here next weekend to
Yep.
see if the rides are open or not.
Yep.
Now, granted, yeah, I'm sorry for all you day guests that come here that pay for a one-day ticket. It's sad that, you know, they charge so much when so little is open. And I can see the complaints. But, yeah, we're not going to over-exaggerate it like all those other people do. It wasn't really a terrible day. It wasn't a great day, though. It was a mediocre day. I mean, we did get on some rides. We enjoyed what we were able to enjoy, and we make the best out of it. So hopefully, when you come and visit Busch Gardens, you make the best out of it also. On that note, we'll say goodbye, and we'll see you at the parks.
Let's go.